Yes, Mr. Croft has asserted his innocence from day one. He continues to assert his innocence. He was released on personal recognizance bond earlier this morning. He's charged with 2 misdemeanors, and our intent is to fight those as much as we can. Thank you very much.
Can we get your name, please?
Alexander Rusek.
Spell your last name.
R-U-S-E-K.
What do you make of what's going on with this case? You know, the previous Attorney General had a team, then Dana Nessel a year and a half or so ago dismissed all the charges. Now they're back today. Isn't that kind of whipsawing you?
Well, certainly it's throwing Mr. Croft's life into chaos here. He has been trying to live his life since the charges were dismissed. He certainly has asserted his innocence. This is a huge burden on him and his family, and we expect that the truth is going to come out through these proceedings. We didn't have a chance to do that the first time around, but I believe that's going to happen here. I think that what's going to be shown is that Mr. Croft relied on the experts every time he made a decision, and that at the end of the day, he was trying to do the best he possibly could for the citizens of Flint as a citizen of Flint himself. He grew up in this city, it's his hometown. He came here to do the best he could as Director of Public Works. Thank you.
He's charged with 2 misdemeanors?
That's correct.
Willful neglect of duty?
That's correct.
Was he booked here again today? Did he go through that whole process of mug shots, fingerprints, and so on again?
Yes, he did, and he was arraigned, and he was granted a personal recognizance bond, so he is now free on his own recognizance.
And do you have a next court date?
We do. It is next Tuesday at 8:30. It's a pretrial conference with Judge Crawford.
Now, this was a grand jury indictment, one-man grand jury with Judge Newland, right?
I can't speak to that. What the indictment that I've received today has few, if any, details of the actual allegations being made against Mr. Croft.
So you don't know if the discovery that you're going to get is different from the first time around or second time around?
I sure would hope so. At least at a minimum, additional police reports to show that the Attorney General did do an additional investigation in this matter.
Sorry, I kind of missed the first part of this.